Hi, my name is Vitaly. I'm a founder of UppLabs, a software development company which specializes in fintech and healthcare solutions for different purposes and digital transformation. We have been working remotely since 2014 and managed to grow more than 10 times. I have solid experience in software engineering, building startups, and managing remote teams. That's why I think my advice will be useful for those businesses considering going online or optimizing their remote teams management. This terrible time of the COVID-19 outbreak shows how vulnerable and fragile society is, how our activities and daily routine are dependable on the global situation. But we must do our best and try to keep doing our business as we were doing it before, because this is the way to support our lives and work, to pay salaries our employees, and provide customers with the services they need. If your business was offline, now you should consider moving it online if possible. If you had no opportunities to communicate with your employees remotely, now you have to adopt new techniques of managing remote teams. These things are as important as keeping you and your families safe. Let's think forward. How can you run your business from home? What can be improved? When we started 5 years ago, here in UppLabs, we faced an issue that some of our employees were not so efficient working from home. However, others were well organized and very productive. I believe that many of you have already faced it. We have found out a few improvements of our working process to make the whole team efficient. First of all, I should mention that we have different teams which have diversity in their working processes in order to be more convenient for our clients. However, there are common rules which are applicable to all of them and improve their productivity. Task management system is our basic tool which helps us to organize our tasks and track their statuses. We usually use Jira, Trello, or GitLab boards, depending on the size of a project and a team. Iteration and daily plans. Each team understands its plans, which should be accomplished every iteration. The iteration could be different for different teams. For example, for sales or marketing team, it could be a monthly or a quarter plan. For the development team, we usually have a bi-weekly plan. Also, we agreed that every day status meeting is our must-have rule where a team checks its progress. Here are 3 simple questions which make our daily meeting short and productive. What have I done since the last meeting? What will I do by the next meeting? What can make me more efficient or what blocks me? All these questions are focused on the efficiency and result. To be honest, it was not so easy to focus team members on this agenda. That's why we agreed that team members are supposed to share their updates based only on these questions during the daily meeting. To discuss all other questions, another call could be initiated. Also, we motivate our colleagues to use video on every call, so it helps them to be more focused on the meeting and feel themselves as part of the discussion. Another important rule in our company is a fast communication and immediate response to every message in our real-time communication channel. We use Slack for that reason. Also, I would like to share that we in UppLabs have a special communication rule which we call language of commitment. If you would like to get more details about our language of commitment, please leave your comment under this video. So, these easy steps using task management system, result-oriented daily status meetings, video calls, fast communication, and some other helps us to work remotely and be transparent and efficient. I was thinking about conducting a free Q&A online session about managing remote teams. If you would like to participate in it, please register on UppLabs.com.